Whoa, dude. Bro is out here pulling 360s on a monster wave effortlessly, bro. You guys seen that shit?
Nice.
But me on the other side, just by watching this video, bro, I literally can't breathe, bro. I cannot breathe. All it takes is one slap from that wave, bro, and GG, you're gone. Your funeral next week. Yo, I love how the older brother just stood back and watched how everything's gonna unfold. I can already tell the mom is like at 1,500 degrees Celsius. But one thing you guys can do for me is I just need all the moms to gather around, because I got only one question for you guys. How would you feel? Or rather, what would you do? Leave your answers down in the comments, bro. I really want to know how you guys would react to this. Also, how the little boy has no clue how important the balloon was, bro. Also, wait. Did you guys see the kids' little victory dance, man? Hey, man. I don't know how to feel about this, but bro, ladies and gentlemen, we can all come to an agreement about one thing, right? Kids are fucking stupid.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These facts are not facts. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Man, this has to be the most intense fight I've seen this year, bro. Legend has it that this dude is still spinning the snake because he literally doesn't know how to put it down without it biting him, bro. Fuck. Bro, it was this moment my man started counting all his blessings one by fucking one, bro. But wait, that's not the best part of the video. Did you guys see the smile after the lion sneezed, bro? The lion smiled. The guy in the gray car probably, well, I won't be making it work today. We are out.
Hit me up when you're feeling so down, looking so good in that